Are you tired of using boring templates? In this video, I will show you how to create own template in MS Word. So first of all, open new page and insert rectangle shape like this. After inserting shape, go to shape outline and tick no outline. Now again go to shape and insert this shape and adjust it like this. Now go to shape outline and tick no outline and right click on this new shape and send it to backward. After that, go to shape fill and change the color of the both shape. Now put your name in the top and after that choose oval shape and draw it to put your photo. Now again go to shape and draw this shape. After that go to shape outline and make it white color and go to shape fill and click no fill. After that insert text box inside that shape and fill your details. Now again add text box and fill other details. So this is how it looks at the end. To watch more informative videos like this, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. We'll meet you soon in next video. Thank you.